Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Bill of Rights and specifically how the government is breaking them. If you know the Bill of Rights, you know it's the first 10 amendments of the US Constitution. It's ordered in such a way as the first rights are the most important and the lower rights are less important. And so, freedom of speech and right to bear arms are the most important, and it was a lot of debate as to which one actually was supposed to be the first one, but that's not what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to go in reverse order from the 10th to the First Amendment, and then talk about how the government is breaking all of them right now. But it gets easier as you go to the lower ones, so we're just going to focus on the 9th and the 10th Amendment today. And I have it pulled up here, and so I will read the 10th Amendment, and then we'll discuss how the government is breaking it. Okay, the 10th Amendment. The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states, respectively, or to the people. Basically, what this means is that whatever laws that the federal government haven't made, the states get to decide what that is. If the government hasn't explicitly prohibited that, if they've not made a law on it, then the states can make a law on it. The states can be more restrictive than the federal government, but never less. And a good example of how it's being broken is this. And this. Medical marijuana and recreational marijuana especially are a very good example of how the 10th Amendment is being broken today. I benefit from it. I'm not saying it is a problem. It should be legal on the federal level in my opinion, but that's just an example. And it also applies to the 9th Amendment. Here's the 9th Amendment. The enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people. And see, there's a lot of debate on what the 9th Amendment actually means. It means a lot of different things to a lot of different people, especially depending on what political affiliation that you subscribe to. Democrats believe that means the freedom to basically do whatever you want, and conservatives believe that it means it's too vague and it shouldn't even be part of the Constitution. But I'm a libertarian, and we're pretty much center right, but we believe in personal freedoms really above all. And what we think the 9th Amendment means is that as long as it doesn't involve anybody else, like, you can do drugs, you can, do all of this stuff, you can get an abortion or whatever, it doesn't matter. As long as it doesn't involve, like, another person physically, we don't care. But again, how they're breaking it is this. Again, drugs, weed especially. It's not hurting anybody else. It just involves our body. Doesn't matter. So who cares? Who cares if I smoke weed? Why should that be illegal? That's a violation of the 9th Amendment, in my opinion.